I'm going to show you a lock picking video. I've got all different locks. I'm going to start with this one. I've unlocked this one loads in the past, but my other ones I haven't done yet, so I'm still new at it. I've only had these since last week. I haven't really had much use of them though. I've done a couple of videos and used them for like an hour off camera as well, a few times, but I haven't really had my mindset of doing much. Someone in my family passed away, as well as I've been having a lot of pain, so I'm going to start doing these videos. I had COVID in December, but I had it really mild compared to my partner. He had it quite bad. He's only just recovering now from it, but I had pins and needles and also aching bones everywhere, and it was getting milder and milder, and it finally, like, I couldn't literally feel anything, and then all of a sudden this last week as well is it's weird. Let's see if I can find a lock picking thing now. Yeah, it's just I broke some of these as well. Just all my bones that feel like they're stretching like that, and my fingers and aching, and then I'm tingles. I think the pings and needles are a good sign, like you're recovering, like it's trying to recover it, like, you know, like restore your whatever. I got painkillers from the doctors, Kicogamo or something like that. But my back is the worst at the moment. So I just thought I'd do a video. Do this like that. Okay. Do a video, just, you know, need to get my views up, because I've been doing good and I haven't done that many. I do loads of videos per day, but I haven't really done that many. So doctor said it's normal what I got. It's like nerve damage, but it's not like a permanent thing. It just goes away in time. So I got painkillers. They're going to give me stronger ones if these ones don't work. I noticed they worked quite well for the first hour, and then they just stopped working. Okay. So yeah, I'll do this video now, see if it goes well. Okay. No, like, this just seems to be too small for this lock. I've done this so much, it's like wearing by the end there. It's nothing to do with the lock, it's just where I've like sanded it down sort of thing on the side. I'm going to use something else actually. I got another clip somewhere. Hopefully I do well. Again, just empty all my stuff by here so I can find it quickly. I'm missing the tool. I can't find it. I hope I find it. It's my favourite one. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in like that. Oh, wait a minute. In like that. Okay. I do need to get more of the other ones. And the holder bit. Because, yeah. My other one, I had 2 of these in the pack, but one snapped. I've been reading the comments like I'm doing it a bit too hard sometimes, and I'm yanking it. It's me trying to get it through, but I'll try my best not to do that. Okay. Oh, I'll learn. I'll get there. It's a hobby at the end of the day, and it's all fun. If I don't do it, I do it. Don't do it. If I do it, I do. Okay. Oh. Okay. Start again. thought that was going to work then. I've done this in seconds, this lock. Just need to... Yeah. Ooh, don't know me. Okay, I'll try a different one. Let me have a look what ones I can try, because they're all like snapped off. I think I need to buy a better kit. It's because I was heavy-handed with them. Oh, I did it with this one. This is quite a good tool. I'll try this one. Meh. Oh. Yeah, so hopefully this pain will go away soon. It's not going to stop me doing my videos anyway, or my metal detecting. The more I move about, it's probably better for me. I find when I'm just sitting down in bed, it's more painful, or sitting down, than it is like on the walk. Oh, wait a minute. This one's a bit bent. I'm starting to do it again, ain't I? Oh, okay. It's a bit weird because I haven't done this one yet. Okay, I'll get there. So this is, I've done this one loads of times now. Okay, try a different pick. I'm going to find the key for it in a minute. Just make sure it still works. I haven't... I'm sure this is the right key. Might not be. I'll find it. Wait a minute. Don't think it's this one. No. I'll find it. Oh. I'm sure this is the right key. It's not even going in. I think it's something snapped in there. Yeah, that is the right key. I think there's something caught in there. Okay, start again. I'll get there. I'll get there. Okay, now I'll try this one. Yeah, I did it. I think I was concentrating more. I was trying to do the pins. And something was caught in there, that's why, in one of the things, that's why the keys weren't working at first. So that was the problem. So, now I need to close it. Jeez. That was hard to close. Yeah, something might be caught in there, stopping it from locking. I'll try that again now. Okay. And then work our way to the next lock then. Don't know if I did that wrong. Start again. Okay, I'm going to try a different tool. Try this one. This one's a bit bent, so I don't think that's going to work. Don't know if I can put it normal. Okay, try this one. Yeah, done it. Let's see. It's all about conversation. I got the TV on at the moment, so I'm just watching some TV. It's on really quiet. And doing this, just something different. And so I have to really concentrate on the noises. But I did that twice, so now I'm going to work my way on something else. I'm going to try this one. This one is, last time I tried it, I couldn't even open it. So I'm going to unlock it and lock it just to listen to it. Okay, I'll lock it again. This is quite a hard one. Wait a minute. So now I'm going to try it. Now this one fits perfect more with this one. It stays in a bit better than the other one. See? It feels like it's not going to fall out as much. It might fall out once or twice. I'll have a look. And now what one? I'm going to try this one. Okay. Maybe try a thinner one. But this one's let me see what one the best one to try. This one I'm going to try. This one right by here. Oh, make sure it's in. Make sure it's not bent. And it's in like that. Feel like it's falling out already. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to try a different one. That one just feels a bit too much. Okay. Now I'm going to try it without the lock. Just to figure out where the pins are. See, I'm just like trying to listen. Okay. Thought it went then. It didn't. It's all about experimenting, I suppose. It feels like the pins are on this side rather than that. Ah. Yeah, I feel them now. Okay. Okay. There's a lock key by here, so it gives you an idea. Like the old lock was like this one, a bit harder. I'll get there. Meh. I don't know why this one's so hard to do. Okay. Oh. I think I'm struggling with using this because my fingers are hurting. Okay. I'll try it though. Try it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. It's like, it doesn't stay still really. I've got another one in here somewhere. Okay. Try this one. Okay. This is quite hard to do. I'm like thinking, Jesus, lock picking is not as easy as I thought it was. Okay. I really enjoy it though, so it's fine. Okay. I'm trying to think what tool to use. I'm going to use this one. Okay. I felt something then. Okay. Okay. If it's going to go, it's going to go. Start again. If I can. Gotta do a whole video of not unlocking this lock, haven't I? Oh. How not to do it because I haven't done it yet. I'll get there. Okay, now. Is it? Okay. I'm not doing that one. Okay. Try the next one. Alright, if I put that one in, see if I can put it back into shape. Oh yeah, I just done it. That's back into shape enough, isn't it? Okay. Okay. Might get there, might not. Okay. So yeah, this is the locksmith security. And to be honest, it's pretty good. I've only unlocked one lock yet, but this one just seems to be really hard to do. I'm probably not doing it right. Okay. I'll hold it like this and do it this way now. Can see in the lock when I do it this way. Not properly, but you can see something. Okay. I am not doing that with this one. I'm going to try each tool until I do it. Some of my tools are broken because I think I was a bit too forceful with them. So it didn't really help, did it? I really enjoy this hobby, so I'm going to get a better, like more, like these are only cheap China ones. £10 for the lot as well as the lock, and you had this. So it's pretty cool. So like, you know, just to start off with. I'm sure I'd be able to do better though. Okay, not doing it. If I have to force it, I know it's not going to work. Okay. They say press it with old locks have been used, not brand new one. This is a brand new one. So but I get there. Oh, I'm starting to like be forceful again, but this is not going to work, is it? Try this one again. Wait a minute. Try this one. I need to make sure I get a what's it called in there as well. That one is it. I need to put my stuff more organised, don't I? Okay. Ah, put it like that. Okay. Okay. Oh, I thought that was it then. Okay. I felt like it was going to turn, but it didn't. Maybe this is unlockable. I'll get there. Maybe I've got it on the wrong. Yeah, I've got it on the wrong bit, but okay. I did it again. That was the what's it called tool. Oh my god! How not to unlock? Try to unlock the pick a lock. This should be called. They break really easily. I don't even think I was that forceful then. Okay. Gonna just try one with oh, they're already broken. How many have I got left? Okay. Try it with this one. Okay. Okay. Not wow, I don't think. Okay. I'm going to try a different lock because this one's not working. Just to see if it is just that lock, okay? Okay, I got this one now. These are like, okay, the lock, the chips are in there, okay? So, first, I'm going to put this in. Which feels more, yeah, it feels like it's more like the right size. And then I'm going to, I think maybe the zigzag one. It's called like a rake tool, I think. I'm going to try this one, okay? Put that one right in there. Okay. Got the pins by here, I think, inside, but you can't see it. Okay. You can hear the pins. Oh, did I almost do it? I thought I almost did it then. Okay. Oh, don't know what happened in there. I'll get there. Put it in. Go like this. And turn it. Okay. I'll get there. Oh, make sure I'm in the camera. That's the main thing, isn't it? No point showing this if I'm not actually in the camera. You know, the pic. Okay. Oh. Okay. It's not working with this one. Oh, try a different one. Okay. No, I'll get there. I'll get there. I'm always saying that. 26 minutes in, I've only picked one lock twice. The same one, but all these I haven't. But hopefully I'll get this soon. It's all about practice. I'm new at it, so... You know, I might have to realise, like, the noises of the things that will turn it. I thought that was going to move then, but it didn't. Okay. Okay. Hopefully I do. Try a different lock. Okay. I got another one right by here. Okay. It's locked already. I believe I got the keys somewhere. Yeah, I think these are the keys. There. Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, it's opening. It's moving like this. You know, that's not got nothing to stop it with, is it? But if I take them out, I can't even take it out now. I don't know how to work. Oh, I messed up here, and I messed up here. Okay. I think you can take it out when you've locked it. Yeah. That's locked now. And that will move. That you can't move at the moment. That will move when I unlocked it. Okay. Oh. Now. Okay. That one's not going to go. I'll get there. That one's not even going to go in. Try this one. Just need a pointy one, really. I'll get there. It's all knowing where the pins are as well. Oh. Okay. It's confusing. Can't do it. I've searched this lock online on YouTube, and someone's really good at lock picking. They said that it was all different China ones, but this one is one you're going to try because it's unlockable or something like that. Couldn't do it. It's probably can get in, but it's like it's made in Germany. These ones are supposed to be proper good ones. Okay, so I'm going to put that like that. I'm going to try this one. Probably won't be able to do it. Okay. Okay. Oh my camera's going to fall on the floor. Okay. Can't even get it in. It's so small. I'm going to listen to it. See who got that? You hear it like that? See? Like that was not going to move for anyone. It's not even the right place. Okay, back to this lock again. Okay, I'll have to try it somehow. Okay, I'm going to just try it without using the stick thing, just to listen to the locks, like, you know me? The pin, should I say. I have an idea where they are. There's one there. One. Okay. When I watch people do this, it looks so easy. Like, oh my god, you've done that. And I'll try it myself. Jeez, this is not easy. It's not easy at all. Okay. 1, 2. It's like I can't get in any further. Like once I've done it, it should come out. Okay, I'm going to press it on this lock again. See if I can get this open. I'm just rushing in, There. That is the tool I'm using, it must be. Okay, what I'm going to do, put that in there like that. Okay. Oh. Like that. I need to make sure they're in properly, not like going all over the place. Okay, I'll get there. I'll get there. Try this one, this sharp one. See, I've done that one. Didn't take long to do that one. So I can do this one, it's just the other one I can't do yet. I'll get there though. Okay, so. This one is like really impossible to do. Really impossible. I've been meaning to get, I got this one from like the local corner shop. I've been meaning to get a master lock. I'll have to go and get one, or like DIY shop. I might order one online actually and get it delivered. It's like a lot of the shops are closed at the moment. When I go to Tesco's or something like that next, I'll have a look if there's selling them in there. The only food shops are open at the moment. And then in the food shops, the toys aisles in the like electric aisle, you buy like iPods and stuff like that, and kettles are like it's closed, as well as some aisles are open and some are closed. Like the closed, and that one depends. One depends the aisle. I'll see if it's open. I'll get a master lock and try that one next time. Doesn't matter if I don't unlock it anyway. It does to me. So I really want to unlock it, but it is really hard. Okay. I must be doing something wrong. And it's like this one. Let me find the key for this one if I can. Wait a minute. Oh, not going good, am I? Not going good. Can't even find the key. Ah, here. This is for the other one. Like I'm so new with locks, so I'm thinking, is it's got what? 1, 2. Is it got 3 pins or just one? 1, 2, 3, 4 pins? I don't know. I need to learn how many pins that would have. I'll get there. Okay. Okay, now. Okay. I feel like this one's in the way a little bit. Okay, see if this any's better. That's just making that fall off. Okay, so got one pin there. It's just learning where all the pins are. I think we should have one. Okay. Oh. Okay, I think it's falling over. Okay, well, that's no good. Look at that's broken, that's broken. That's 2 that's broken there. This one's bent. I can try this one. Try to bend it back to normal. That's more straight, but I think I had it then. Okay. Okay, I'll get there. I'll get there. Okay. It's like, oh, I've been doing this for 40 minutes. I know I've done a little bit of lock picking, but I just can't do this one. I'll get there. I'm saying the same thing over and over again, so it's not good. I'm gonna have to do a live one of this, not just like I probably do this one as a premiere, or I just put it on normal. But if I did a live one, people could talk me through how to do it properly. If it was any lock pickers on there. Okay. Okay. Might be just simple. Did I feel like it was going to go then? Okay. One, I need to put this thing in. I might not get it unlocked otherwise. Okay. That's one. And then two, put this all the way in. Just play about with it until I get it. Okay. Ready and possible. Okay. I've been going on for 43 minutes now, so I'm going to cut it short. I can't get into this lock again. Hopefully next time I'll be able to get into this lock. It might be the easiest lock in the world or the hardest lock. I don't know. But hopefully next time I'll be able to do it. But I can get in this one lock, the starter lock, fine. You know, it shows you where the pins are, and that's how you can learn by where the pins are and how things work. So I might practice it off camera with this one more to understand it a bit more. And then I'll do another phone with this one. See if I can get it. Hopefully I'll get it. I'm not going to give up anyway until I get it. So thanks for watching all, and sorry I couldn't pick this lock. Bye for now. Oh, any comments, any ideas how, or even if it's impossible, say that this one's impossible, I don't know. Bye for now.